Hello students. Today we will start with the new phylum, that is the phylum Annelida, and in today's lecture we will study about the general characteristic of phylum Annelida. The phylum Annelida consists of bilaterally symmetrical, through coelomate, triploblastic, metamerically segmented worm-like animals. For example, nereis, earthworm, leech. Okay, and they are mostly aquatic, that is they will be found in the marine or freshwater form, while some are also terrestrial. That will be they are mostly burrowing or the living in the tubes, while some are sedentary or free living, while some are commensal in the relation with other organism. Animal will be in the form of commensal or in a parasitic form. Okay, the body is the body of annelids have a soft, elongated, and a cylindrical, okay, form. Then the annelids are bilaterally symmetrical. In the bilaterally symmetrical, what happens? The body can be split into two equal half, okay, and by only one plane. And in this symmetry, the body parts are arranged in one side of the central axis. Okay, in a another point of bilateral symmetrical is that they have a well defined anterior and posterior ends. Okay, and even the organs are arranged in a pair on either one side of the body in the organism which possess the bilaterally symmetrical body. Okay, next point is the organization, that is they show a organ system grade of organization. So what is organ system grade of organization? It is first observed in the phylum Platyhelminthes, the organ system grade of organization. In this, sorry, this organ system grade of organization involves many organs joins together to form a organ system. Okay, that is, for example, digestive system, then formation of the gut and the digestive glands. Okay, this is the example of organ, and it is not seen in Platyhelminthes, but Aschelminthes shows this organ system grade of organization. Platyhelminthes shows the organ grade of organization. Okay, sorry, my mistakes. Then the coelom, they show a true coelomate. The annelids are called as a true coelomate. Then what is coelom? Coelom is the cavity that is located between the body wall and the alimentary canal. Okay, so there are different type of coelom. So these annelids are the true coelomate. They will be possessing one of the type of coelom, that is schizocylous coelom. Okay, and in schizocylous coelom, what happened here? The coelom developed by the splitting of mesoderm. Okay, then the body is triploblastic. Next point is triploblastic, that is they have a triploblastic body wall. That is, they will be presence of three germ layer, that is ectoderm, that is the outer covering, then followed by mesoderm, the in middle layer, whereas the inner layer called as a endoderm. Okay, then next point is the muscle layers are thick in the body wall, and hence this wall is said to be a dermomuscular, okay, wall. Okay, then the body, then again the body is or outer segment of the annelid surface is metamerically segmented, that is externally by the transverse grooves and internally by the septa into the number of divisions, and each division is called as a segment or metameres or somite. Okay, next point is uh, then there will be outer covering of the body is covered by a thin cuticle which is secreted by the underlying epidermis. Then the body wall is contractile, that is consisting of outer epidermis, circular and longitudinal muscles, that is dermomuscular muscle. Okay, then the appendages are present in some, but are unjointed. Okay, and the locomotory organs are segmentally arranged in the form of the paired city, and in the most of the form it will be city. Okay, then the next one is the digestive system. They show a complete digestive system. Okay, that is, there will be present of the alimentary canal, which is a tube like, complete, that is, it will be having a mouth which will extend to the anus. Okay, next is the respiration. Respiration occurs to the general body surface, while in some form it will, in the form, it will take by the gills also. Okay, but mostly there will be involvement of the outer surface, that is body surface, that is the skin. Okay, then the body vascular system, or blood vascular system is closed type. Okay, what is closed type? In a closed type, what happens? In a closed type of blood circulatory system involves vessels that will collect the will contain the blood throughout the body. Okay, there is another type of circulatory system also, that is a open circulatory system, where there will be no presence of vessels and all, but the blood flows freely through the cavities. Okay, so this is the difference between closed type of circulatory system and open type of circulatory system. The next point is the excretory excretion. Excretion is by segmentally arranged nephridia, which usually communicate to the coelom to the exterior. Okay, then next point is the nervous system. Nervous system has a pair of cerebral ganglia, that is the brain will form a brain, and a double nerve cords having a segmentally arranged ganglia and give rise to the ventral nerve cord. Okay, then there will be presence of also respiratory organs will be present. The sensory organs will be present, that is a tactile organ, taste buds, then the stetocyst, then the photoreceptor cells, and the eyes, which act as a respiratory organ, which will receives the stimulus from the environment. Okay, which helps in a sense. Okay, then they are mostly hermaphrodite. What is hermaphrodite? Or usually monoecious, that is hermaphrodite. Most of them are hermaphrodite, that will be, they will be having the both the organs are present, reproductive organs are present in the same individual. Then some are even dioecious or unisexuals. Okay, development is direct or either indirect. Most of the form it is direct, and if it is indirect, then there will be presence of the trophophore larva. Okay, this trophophore larval stage is characteristic in case of the indirect development, and at this stage it passed during the development. Okay, and it has a high power of regeneration. Okay, asexual reproduction also occurs in some forms. Being a hermaphrodite, there will be showing a asexual reproduction also. So these are the general characteristic of the phylum Annelids. Quickly we'll revise. These annelids are the found in an aquatic form, plus in a terrestrial form also. Aquatic, that is a marine or either freshwater, whereas in the terrestrial they are mostly burrowing or either in the form of free living or the parasite form. Okay, then the body is diploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, coelomate with the through coelom and a segmented body, and the body is covered with a thick cuticle. Okay, and the body will be having a glandular epidermis, that is and below which the muscle forms an outer layer of the circular muscle and inner layer of longitudinal muscle. Okay, and the body is divided for the first time in the evolution point of view, that the body is divided into series of segments, that is metamerically arranged segments, or the metameres. Okay, and these segments are integrated into single, each segment will be having a single functional unit. Okay, then the body coelom, we have discussed that the body coelom is a schizocilous coelom type of body coelom will be present, which is the formed by the splitting of the mesoderm. The next point is there will be bilaterally symmetrical, body is bilaterally symmetrical, with the defined anterior and posterior end will be there. Then the locomotor organs are present, that is the setae. Then the digestive system is complete. Next is the respiration is through skin or the outer surface. Whereas in a few of them they will be also possessing a gill. Body vascular system is a closed type, that is they involve a vessel system. Vessels will be present to carry the blood. Okay, then the excretory system is through the nephridia. Nervous system contains a pair of ganglia and a ventral nerve cord, and ventral nerve cord has a ganglionated in each segment. Okay, then the reproduction. The reproduction is basically they are hermaphrodite, and few are even dioecious. Okay, the development is either direct or indirect. In the indirect there will be presence, they will show a trophophore larva, a typical common larval phase. Okay, so with this we have completed the general characteristic of phylum Annelids. Thank you.